Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. How's it going? I got a great video for you all about print on demand, and I'm going to go over the 3 most important tools that I use for my print on demand business, and I'm going to show you some free alternatives to these tools as well if you don't want to spend any money. But the whole idea here is that we're going to save you time by spending money on these tools rather than using whatever free methods might be out there. So let's jump right into it. These are the 3 best print-on-demand tools that everyone should be using. Okay, so every entrepreneur hates monthly fees. They hate having monthly subscriptions. I hate monthly fees as well, I'm not gonna lie. But sometimes they're worth it. And I'm gonna go over these tools. There are paid tools, but I'll go over some free alternatives as well. But the whole idea here is that if we are gonna pay for them, we wanna make sure that we're gonna be exchanging money for time. We're gonna be paying something for this tool. It better be saving us a lot of time in compared to the free method. So if you just look at it this way, that's why some of these tools are definitely worth it. But again, I'm going to be going over some free alternatives. And this might not just be a monetary kind of decision. You might just, suck at some skills, right? There are some different skills that I'm going to go over. For example, picking a niche, finding designs, doing ads and marketing, right? If you're not good at those, then it doesn't matter how much time you put in. Maybe you just need a tool to kind of improve your skill, to improve the quality of ads that you put out, or to improve the design research that you do for print on demand. Could be a bunch of different reasons, right? Monetary, could just be that you suck at the skill, you don't have the skill, you don't want to do it, it's too annoying. Or if you're going to spend money, it's going to trade off not only saving you time, but helping you grow your business. So these are the 3. Okay, the first tool is called Tspy. And you might have heard about Tspy, it's been around for a while. It's a massive database of print-on-demand t-shirts and other print-on-demand products that are all categorized and searchable by keyword, by niche, right? Let's say you're selling cat products or cat designs. You can go in there and type in cats, and I'll show you over the shoulder what kind of results that you would get. You'd see literally the most popular print-on-demand shirts for cats all listed. You could even sort it by sales. And that's why this tool is so valuable. It's going to answer the question to you, what designs sell and what niches have really seen the most money or the most sales, right? You don't want to go into a niche where there's only 3 or 4 people buying t-shirts, right? You go in there and you search dogs, for example, or cats, for example, you're going to see thousands upon thousands, maybe tens of thousands of listings in some of these popular niches. And for some of these cases, you're going to actually see the actual sales totals. So if you suck at choosing a niche, if you suck at creating design ideas, right? Really just being straightforward. If you're not good at those things, you should supplement your lack of skill with a tool. And the Tspy tool literally going to let you go in there and see what has sold. Or you go in there, the cat niche, see, okay, what's the best selling cat t-shirt of all time? If you want to sell cat related print on demand t-shirts, that's a really, really important kind of metric to understand. What style of shirts sell? What style of shirts do not sell? Right? What subjects sold the best? Which subjects, maybe could have a better design and then sell even more? There's so much information that you could extract from Tspy. It's all about kind of helping you understand what resonates to people inside the niche. And people always say, okay, what's the free alternative to Tspy? And I call it living inside the niche, right? The idea that you need to spend some time inside the niche. You go to all the social media pages, maybe you even create a new Facebook, and you literally just like every single thing that you can about your niche. Maybe your niche is tennis, right? You like all the big tennis athlete pages, you like all the tennis brands, you like all the tennis events, you share links about tennis, right? All these different things, so you're seeing and you're living inside that niche. That would be an alternative to this. And why do we use this? Well, it helps us make money to understand what niches sell the best. We don't want to jump into a niche that doesn't have a ton of upside. So we're going to use Tspy. We're going to say, okay, we see, 30, 40, 50 winners that have sold over 1,000 pieces in the cat niche. We know for sure that's a niche that we want to jump into. And we could also look at it for design research. Next on the list, number 2, this is called Sorting Social. And literally the name describes exactly what it does. It sorts social media search results. And that's actually something that's incredibly powerful. You can't go onto Facebook right now and sort by the number of likes or the number of comments. With Sorting Social, you can, and that's the secret sauce. It's going to tell you what's working right now. And we use this for the kind of step that is going to happen every single week for the rest of your entire life in terms of the life of your print-on-demand business, needing to do design research, right? And this is the best type of design research. It's real-time results. It's taking a look at what is selling right now. It's literally searching social media like Pinterest, Facebook, a bunch of different other networks, and showing you, okay, these are the posts that have, let's say, the most likes for the keyword cats, or this is the post that has the most shares for the keyword fitness, or even fitness t-shirts, right? Or cat t-shirts, or whatever t-shirts, or whatever hoodies you get to put in the search term. It's going to show you the results from social media. And again, this helps you kind of understand what resonates with a niche. Now, this isn't going to show you the sales history like Tspy might. This is more about real-time results, literally what's working right now. And if you suck at design ideas, right, if you can't create good design ideas, or if you have run out of good design ideas, because again, this is going to be a process that you'll do every single week for the life of your print-on-demand business, then this would be a great tool to have. Non-stop ideas, non-stop information sorted by what's most relevant. So you want to go and look for design ideas? Great. Now you can use Sorting Social to go and look for design ideas of things that have 5,000 likes, right? Or in your niche, you sort by the most likes and you say, okay, I'm going to create a t-shirt idea based on this. Maybe it's a meme that got 10,000 shares, right? Well, why would you want to do that? You already know 10,000 people in your niche find this to be interesting enough to share it. So you already have a leg up on that design research point. So again, if you're not good at design research, if you want to get better at design research, you use Sorting Social, you see what's trending right now, then you go ahead and turn that into a t-shirt. And obviously this is just using social media. So the free alternative here, just doing social media searches, right? You can go on facebook.com, you can go in the top search bar, you can type in cat t-shirt. It's going to show you all different posts and groups and videos that are relevant to that search term. The only thing is it doesn't sort by the number of likes or comments. So obviously this tool saves you a lot of time, but it's really great for design research. It's all about what's working right now. Tool number 3. Okay, this is Placeit, and this is a really great tool. First of all, this can be used in lots of different parts of your print-on-demand business. I'm going to discuss it mostly for marketing and for ads. Let's say you're doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads or YouTube ads. The model mockup generator is why this is such a killer tool and why I use it numerous times per week. And it's the idea that you're going to be able to put your t-shirt design or your hoodie design or your canvas or your hat. They have so many different products. Let's just say t-shirts though. Your t-shirt design on actual models, right? They're going to literally have something that goes across their chest. It's going to be automatically photoshopped onto them. And you'll see, as I show you an example, literally incredibly powerful because this can be used for your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads. They have video templates as well, so YouTube ads. All of this can be done inside of the tool. No technical experience required, no software. It all happens through the Placeit website. And you get to use these everywhere on your site. It's not just for ads. You could have your product photos now. Instead of just having a flat t-shirt, you could have models wearing it. And the best part about Placeit is they have specific demographics that can match your customer. So I'll give you an example. Right, let's say you're in the cat niche. Right, well, you could show the cat t-shirt flat. You could show the cat t-shirt maybe on a young woman, or you could show the cat t-shirt on a young woman holding a cat. Right, and this is a real Placeit mock-up that we could literally enable for our entire store, for our entire marketing. There are multiple different variations. There are different pets. There are different scenarios. There are holidays, different backgrounds, different themes. The point is we're going to be able to get models that match our perfect customer. So now when we do our marketing and our perfect customers come to the site, they're going to see people that look just like them. Right? And of course, they're not going to be exactly like them. We're talking about an overall demographic. But if we're selling to people that love cats and we could have a cat in the actual product mock-up, I promise you that's going to sell at a much higher conversion rate. So you're going to see an increase in conversion rate using Placeit. You're going to see an increase in click-through rate on your ads, meaning more people are going to get to your website because of these ads. And there are free alternatives. They'd be called Photoshop templates or PSD templates. You could often go on Google and type in t-shirt PSD template. You have to obviously know how to use Photoshop, but the big thing is there's going to be just a very limited selection. With Placeit, there are thousands and thousands and thousands of model mockups, and that's just one of the things that they do. It's the most powerful for us as print on demand, but you could make designs inside of Placeit. You can make social media posts and graphics inside of Facebook. You can make video introductions and video headlines and all these other things that you could do. It's all great. It's all included in the same membership. But the mockup generator, the demographic specific model, instant increase in conversion rate, instant increase in click-through rate, and like I said, it's going to be a tool that you use almost every single day. So those are the 3 print-on-demand tools that I use pretty much every single day. They are paid tools, but I highly think they're worth it when you compare that kind of time to cost exchange. See links for each and every one of these tools inside the description below this video. Make sure you check it out. Importantly, check out my Facebook group, totally free, group.justinsenior.com, or you can go on Facebook and search Senior eCommerce Mastermind. Totally free resource where I'm in there, I'm answering questions, I'm sharing content, I'm sharing new videos, all this great stuff to help you build your e-commerce business. And again, if you like this, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, help grow my channel. Really appreciate you spending some time here. Hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you real soon.